Keto diet and diabetes, a life-changing solution. Picture this: a world where managing diabetes is not a constant battle, and your life is no longer held hostage by blood sugar fluctuations and complications. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to wake up to reality. Introducing the keto diet, the groundbreaking solution that's taking the world by storm. Curious? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a life-altering adventure into the wonders of the keto diet. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic, keto, diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained massive popularity in recent years. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This way, you can enjoy delicious meals without compromising your blood sugar levels. Keto diet and diabetes, a winning combo. Diabetes, meet your match. The keto diet has the potential to transform diabetes management in 4 remarkable ways. Taming blood sugar. Lowering carbs means less insulin is needed, resulting in stable blood sugar levels. Combating insulin resistance. A low-carb approach helps reduce insulin resistance, improving overall glucose control. Reducing complications. Better blood sugar control equals fewer diabetes-related complications. Shedding pounds. The keto diet aids in weight loss, reducing diabetes risks, and enhancing overall health. With these powerful benefits, the keto diet is the superhero that diabetes never saw coming. Keto diet essentials, a flavorful feast for beginners. Embrace a world of taste and variety with these keto diet staples, designed to keep your diabetes in check while satisfying your cravings. Healthy fats, a key component of the keto diet. Healthy fats keep you full and fuel your body. Avocado, loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil, a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut oil, contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, for quick energy. Nuts and seeds, nutrient-dense powerhouses like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Low-carb vegetables. Add a burst of color and nutrients to your plate with these low-carb veggies. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, packed with vitamins and minerals. Broccoli, a fiber-rich cruciferous vegetable, known for its cancer-fighting properties. Cauliflower, a versatile alternative to starchy foods, perfect for keto-friendly pizza crusts or rice. Bell peppers, high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and great for adding crunch to your meals. Protein. Fuel your body with these high-quality protein sources. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Poultry. Versatile options like chicken, turkey, and duck, a lean protein source. Meat. Grass-fed beef, pork, and lamb, providing essential nutrients and vitamins. Eggs. A complete protein. Eggs are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Dairy. Dairy adds creaminess and richness to your keto meals. Cheese. Choose from a variety of options like cheddar, mozzarella, feta, and brie, all low-carb and packed with flavor. Yogurt. Opt for full-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt, a probiotic-rich and protein-packed choice. Butter. Grass-fed butter is a good source of healthy fats and vitamins, perfect for cooking or topping veggies. With these diverse and flavorful ingredients, you'll create satisfying keto meals that make managing diabetes a delicious and enjoyable experience. Landmark studies on keto diet and diabetes. A study published in Nutrition and Metabolism demonstrated that participants with type 2 diabetes who followed a keto diet for 16 weeks experienced a significant 26% reduction in HbA1c levels and decreased their medication usage. A study published in the Journal of Medical Internet Research revealed that after adhering to a keto diet for 32 weeks, participants saw a 0.8% decrease in blood glucose levels, HbA1c, and a 12.7% reduction in weight. A study published in Diabetes Therapy found that after following a keto diet for 1 year as part of a continuous remote care intervention, participants with type 2 diabetes achieved a 1.0% reduction in HbA1c and a 12% decrease in body weight. As always, consult with your healthcare professional before making any dietary changes. In conclusion, the keto diet has shown promising results in improving blood glucose levels and promoting weight loss in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Embracing this low-carb, high-fat approach could be a powerful tool in managing diabetes and enhancing overall health. Stay healthy and enjoy the keto.